Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Stitches. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. So, I am thrilled to have you here today because we are diving into something really exciting and creative, playful petal cross stitch. Whether you are brand new to this or have been stitching for a while, don't worry, playful petals cross stitch is easy to learn and a great way to make beautiful design using just a needle and some thread. Today we are going to explore the latest and the most beautiful playful petals cross stitch patterns that are currently trending. These designs are super cool and popular in the stitching community, and the best part, whether you are a beginner or a pro, you will be find something here that's perfect for your next project. Before we dive into these patterns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumb up if you love playful petals cross stitching as much as I do. Subscribing helps the channel grow and you won't miss out on any future tutorial and tips. So let's get started. The first pattern we are looking at today is a true classic. It is a design that never goes out of style and is currently trending because it is so versatile. This pattern is perfect for beginners because it is a straightforward but still elegant and detailed enough to make a statement. The color in this pattern are bright and cheerful, making it ideal for a spring or summer project. You can even frame it and hang it up in your home or for a pop of joyful color. One of the things I love most about this design is that you can really make it your own by changing up the colors. If you want something more subtle, choose softer shades, or if you are feeling adventurous, opt for vibrant hues. It's all up to you. I also love how this pattern encourages creativity. You can easily add personal touch by tweaking the design or incorporating different stitches. The more you experiment, the more you will be enjoy the playful petals cross stitching. Be sure to share your finished project with me. I will be love to see what you come up with. Next we have a simple yet delightful pattern. So we will want to still create something beautiful. It is quite to finish, so you will get that sense of accomplishment without committing to a long-term project. This design is great for beginners too. It is a straightforward but the final result is charming and the versatile. You can use pattern to add a personal touch to any space, whether you stitch it for yourself or give it to a friend. It is sure to be appreciated. The best part, it doesn't take much time or effort, so it is ideal for those moments who want a relaxing and speedy project. If you are new to stitching, this pattern is wonderful starting point. You will learn a few basic stitches, but it is not too complicated, and even if you have been stitching for years, this design provides a fun break from more intricate project. If you love bold bright colors, you are going to love this next pattern. It's all about vibrant energy. The design feature bold color, the cheerful colors that are sure to lift your spirits. Whether you are new, whether you want to brighten up a room or create a lively gift from someone special, this pattern is an excellent choice. What I really appreciate about this design is its eye-catching appeal. The bold colors make it stand out and the simple shapes make it easy to stitch. Even if you are a beginner, you will complete this project with a sense of pride. If you prefer a more subdued look, you can always adjust the color to suit your style, opt for pastels or more muted tones if you wish. The flexibility of these designs allow you to adopt it however you like, and that's one of the reasons it is so popular right now. This next pattern is tailored for beginners. It is designed to be simple enough for someone just starting out, but it still looks stunning when completed. The clean lines and the straightforward stitches make it an excellent introduction to playful petals cross stitch. One of the best aspects of this pattern is that it is if you've been feeling nervous about starting your first project, this design is so approachable, and this design will help ease those concerns. It is easy to follow and result is a beautiful piece that you will be proud to display or give to someone special. And if you are more experienced, don't worry, sometimes it is nice to work on something simple and relaxing, and this pattern is perfect for that. For those who love nature, this pattern is perfect. It features beautiful leaves and flowers, making it a wonderful project for anyone who enjoys the outdoor. Whether you want to add a touch of nature to your home decor or create something for a nature-loving friend, this design is a great choice. The detail in the pattern provides a lovely organic feel, and you can get creative with the colors. Go for realistic green and browns for a natural appearance, or mix it up with bright unexpected colors for a playful twist. Either way, this design is sure to impress. I can already picture how stunning this pattern would look framed and displayed in a living room or entryway. If you are looking for something beautiful and calming to stitch, this nature-inspired design is a must-try. Geometric patterns are trending right now, and this design is all about clean lines and bold shape. It is contemporary take on traditional playful petals cross stitching with a sleek and a modern feel. If you love minimalist or modern decor, this pattern is perfect match. The bold geometric make a statement, and the design looks stunning whether you choose a monochromatic color scheme or something more vibrant. It's a great way to experiment with shapes and colors. So if you are looking for a stylish yet relaxing project, this is one for you. This next pattern is absolutely adorable because it is perfect for anyone who is flower lovers. If you enjoy patterns that are a bit unconventional, this one for you. It's a whimsical, creative designs filled with fun details that make it stand out. This pattern is perfect for anyone who loves to experiment with their stitching and wants to try something different. The playful nature of these designs make it a joy to work on, and it is ideal if you are looking for a project that's light-hearted, whether you opt for bright bold colors or softer tones. This pattern is sure to bring a smile to your face. Sometimes less is more, and the next pattern exemplifies that. It's a minimalist design with a sleek and sophisticated feel. If you love clean, simple lines and understated beauty, this is a perfect project for you. This pattern is great for adding a touch of elegance to any room. It's simple enough for beginners, but still look polished and refined, and because the design is so subtle, it will blend seamlessly into any decor style. This pattern is perfect for celebrating different seasons throughout the year, whether it's designed for spring, fall, or the holidays. You can adjust the colors to fit the seasons or your home decor. Seasonal patterns are always enjoyable to work on, and the next is no exception. If you love decorating for the holidays or changing things up with the season, this is a great project for you. Plus, it is an easy way to update your home decor with a handmade touch. Step into the world of floral modern art. This pattern is perfect for you. It's bold, creative, and full of unique shapes. And really get experiment and creative with different ideas. This pattern is ideal for anyone who loves art and wants to create something truly one of a kind. The bold shape and striking color combination make it a real showstopper. It is a great way to add a bit of modern flair to your playful petals cross stitching. So this is for today's video. I hope you enjoy this video, because in this video I will discuss about many unique and beautiful ideas of playful petals cross stitching. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, leave a comment in the comment below and hit the bell icon to see more content like this. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.